Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Journey SE Blacktop in Vice White. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, sunscreen glass, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 4.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, audio jack input for mobile devices, 3-zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, second row in-floor storage bins, third row seating, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 63758.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.